Yeah, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you and you and you and you and you.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Tell love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness, big up on yourself. And the man of peace. We say give thanks to life, health, and strength. Give thanks to another day. Life are the greatest gift. Thank you all for your continuous support. In this episode, we have all a local reasoning pertaining to squash and when I look at charging right hand man when them say lost his life. Saw it on the news and a couple of people cover it, but right now we just have all our meds. And it happened sometime last week, but I know they want me a whole of meds and I said, John, now speak on the topic kind of. I know I'm the man of peace. You see me? Squash is currently incarcerated in part of America, the Florida. See it? Wish him all the best. You see me? I say, I don't want to wish bad for nobody. But before we kick off the vlog, I don't know if it's your birthday, you celebrate your birthday, your brother, sister, auntie, cousin, friend, someone where you know. Happy birthday to them, you see? And send that, and we can send that song to them. It's your birthday, enjoy it. You see me?
It's your birthday, enjoy it. Don't let no one destroy it. Live it to the fullest. And that if you do yes, love your life, be grateful for it.
Yes, man, enjoy your birthday to the fullest. You see me? Be grateful for life. Yeah, man. So, squash currently incarcerated in their jail. With the possibility of being deported, nobody knows what's gonna happen. See me, but I mean a sticky situation. See, that held with gun, him luck run out, push him luck, and now end up in a situation where it's sticky. You see me? And the brother in charge will get locked up with him. Me hear them say, give me that work with the feds them. I don't know how true it is. I can't prove nothing, but that them say out there, you see me? So they were being watched and trailed by undercover cops, you know what I mean? And them see when squash stuck in the gun in their belly and the holster and all of them sitting there and them spending my ticket out and hide it and all of them stuff there, you see me? A cheap Glock. So you know them gun, you know, when you modify them gun then a serious thing that you're not supposed to do that in American law. If you get a gun legally, you're not supposed to do no amendments or changes to it. So that Glock gun allegedly them say was a cheap Glock. With them do things on it, you know, make it can do rapid bursts and them thing there. So yeah, sad to see how squash talented artists can't take that away from him. Do some nice songs. You see me? I like some of them songs them. You see me? But it's just sad to see him wasting talent there. And artists like myself and other artists out there want opportunity, you know. But I don't know, each to their own, you see me, choices and decisions, uprise and downfall. You see it, my viewers and subscribers. You know me and the man of peace, you know, and I love me saying, love alone. Saying to the youth in Jamaica, stop the crime. Stop killing off on one another, you see me? That make no sense. You see it? Yeah, man. So now, after Squash was arrested, we saw one and charge, you know, that youth here, all nasty on the screen. See, now him and Squash that. Race. See him, you get me? You know, see one without the other one. Them roll together. Them say him and them say him a Squash alleged shooter. See me? Top man. Yeah. And we hear Squash sing about Hellgate. Never know say somebody name so well. This guy, them say he goes that's his name in the street, Hellgate, you know. He was at a party, a house party at that in there. See, house party, me not too like house party, you know, unless the person will keep it a good character. If nobody with bad character will keep house party, you're not see lion foot there. You see me? Yeah. Because anything can happen. Them say, show me your company, tell me who you are. You see me? Yeah. But if you say somebody good Samaritan of good spirit, good deed, you know, I keep them party and them say, lion foot pass through or rare. Yeah, man, I mean pass through and go support. You see me? Spend my money or whatever. But if I know bad character, man, I know some people I know say bad character with a war and violence and the surrounding the acidity, I ain't not go there. You see me? So that know that them saying the one party, house party, you know say people gathering from all about. Because when you hear about house party, people from all about are forward. And yeah, man, a house party they say house party they keep this you know. They left from all your club and end up a house party, somebody house. Boom now, them say when somebody kick off, and them gonna book up on them one another enemy and what that show. You see me? So now you say knockings, man pop off and knockings. Him ended up being a bad lucky one. Zine, at the same time, and maybe if Squash never that jail, maybe Squash should have dead with him. Or maybe they wouldn't go nowhere, you see me? But Squash that jail, them a move loose, he's on the loose on his own or whatever. I feel like say maybe I feel like say I'm bad and I'm powerful and I push him weight and you see me? But we don't know the youths them now learn star. The youths them life is worth living, man. See the great cockatoo drop out there. Younger than my mother. See cockatoo, great legend cockatoo drop out. Determined drop out where they. The youths them now them not honor life and them not respect life, them own a life. You get me? Badness now pay. I don't know when the youths them are gonna learn. A jailhouse or a dead house. We tired to say that. You see me? And like the youth them afraid for dead hour. Them just live them life until you know the last day, the last breath. But the youth them youngster can have life to live. Like you things tough. You see me? Life is worth living. You're not dead for hungry. I mean, I go 2 days without food. You're still not dead for hungry because you have life. You can go out there, go hustle and somebody can give you a thing. Your family member them cook food and call. You see me? Not saying the man, no forgot they go look them one thing, you know, what they want to do, whether they want sell them body, scam, do whatever they want to do. But life is worth living. And just you have to think to do the right thing and stay away from trouble. Zine. Now this brother you get the opportunity to go foreign. Likewise Squash and other people as well. And go on foreign with them foolishness same way, you know. I mean, I talk America, England, anywhere at all. Once you leave Jamaica and say you're gonna look a better life. You can't bring the old dirty living with you. Try change your life for your kids them if you have any, you know. Your mother, if you want to help your mother. If you are making money, whether by drugs or whatever, make use of it, man. Stop the hyping and live the life. Live life. Stop the hyping and live the bossy life where you never used to live. But money are the root of all evil. Money make you do stupid things if you're not firm in your mind. You get me? Yes, I'm just there all I made, man. I said, John, look at man, just give him 3 pints. You know? Sometimes it's better if you just be the humble when I be dubbed as a fool or a nerd or idiot, you know? Walk away, man. You know yourself know say you're bad in about. Or you can defend yourself. Not even say bad, you can defend yourself. But it's just sad, yo. Just sad. You see me? And this show you say badness no pay. And any youth who are listening to this right now, badness no pay. Stay away from badness, stay away from crime and violence. You get me? Make your money, live your life. Seeing a jailhouse or a dead house once you step down that road. You see me? Yes, man. As me say, you know, if I could work magic, crime would have vanished. You see me? You know my song name Crime Agent. Big up yourself, see DJ Baba. Bad producer, you know? Bad mixer. DJ Baba, big up yourself. Yeah, man. So this is just a quick update, a quick vlog, you know? We say, yo, so stay away from crime and violence. And it's sad. She says Squash have him talent and now it not look good for him. See them gonna do time or him end up a yard or him walk. We don't know. You see me, but you know Florida already. Sticky when it comes to gun crime and them things. You see me? And for them sentence. Now normal. You see it, but wish him all the best here, me and him, you know his mother right now nothing a good space. You see me? But you know what I mean? We not support no violence and no bad man and no murder right now. You see me? But at the end of the day we are saying time for a change. You don't know what the man of peace. Big up on yourself. Don't forget to like and share the content. I'm out. not another word out of my mouth.